Hello guys, welcome back to Epitaga's Dumbbox, and in this video I'll show you the difference between count star, count one and count of column in SQL or high query. So let's begin. So guys, this is my blog page. Here you can find different IoT tutorials for free, then some machine learning solutions and many more educational stuff free of cost. So do visit here. The link for this will be given in the description of the video. Okay, so coming back to the topic, to show you the difference between count star, count one and the count of column, we have to create one table, and then I'll show you the difference on that practically. Okay, so I am creating one table named as students, and then there are two columns. The first one is ID, the second one is marks, and I have added 6 records in it, and you can see on purpose I have put two null values in it just to show you the difference. And let's begin guys. Instead of showing you theoretically, I'll show you what is the exact difference practically. So this is the online SQL executor by tutorials point, and I am creating a table. These are the same query which I showed earlier on my page. So okay, we have created a table and there are 6 entries and 2 of them are null. The third and fifth one are null. Okay, let's do the count star and you will see the output is 6. And what is 6? The 6 is total number of records or rows present in the table, irrespective of whether it is null or not. That means total number of output including null values, total number of rows including null values. Now let's do count of 1. The output is again 6. So same output, that means the output is total number of rows present in the table including null values. Then what is the difference between count star and count 1? Guys, the difference is not in the output, but the difference is in the time taken to execute the query. See, here I have mentioned the same differences between time taken to execute the query. You won't find much time difference here because here the data set is very small, only 6 records. If you run the same query on very big data set having thousands or millions of records, then you will definitely see much difference in those two queries in the time of execution. Okay, so make the standard practice of using count 1 instead of count star. But guys, there is one very common confusion which people have. Most of them are thinking that when we write count 1, that means we are taking count of first column. It's not like that guys. The number 1 is not the column number here. 1 is just a hard coded value. You can use any other value other than 1. You can write 0, 2, -1. Not only value, you can use any string or alphabet as well. Count of 1, count of Epidaga or anything. I'll show you the demo for that. I'm removing that and like this. So I'm taking count of 0, then count of -1, then count of A and count of Epidaga, and I'm getting output as 6 in all the cases. So 1 over here is just a hard coded value, nothing else. Okay, now moving back to the next part, that is count of, one second guys, that is count of column name. Okay, so till now what we have seen, count star and count 1, it gives the output including null values. But when we run select of count of column name, this is first column, this is second column, and you can see here the output is 4 for first column and the output is 6 for second column. Why it's like that? Because in first column I have already shown you that the third and fifth record are null, so it has given us output excluding null values, and in second column there are no null values, that's why the output is same. So what count of column name provide returns, it returns total number of entries present in that particular column. Okay, so this is the basic difference guys, uh, in count star, count 1 and count of column name. So to summarize this video, I'll show you, I'll repeat what is the exact difference. Count star gives us total number of records present in the table including null values. Count 1 gives you the same total number of records present in the table including null values, but it is faster than count star. And count of column name, what it does, it returns total number of entries present in that particular column excluding null values. Okay guys, I think it's quite clear for you now. So hope you understood the concept and basic difference between all of that. So if you like this video, if you understand something, please click on like button, and to encourage me, please click on subscribe. I'll be back with similar kind of stuff, similar videos, and do visit my blog, that is www.apdaga.blogspot.com. Thank you very much. This is Akshay Daga signing off.